Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to install SmartOne IPTV on Samsung Smart TV. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply install the app from Samsung TV store. So you're going to have to install the SmartOne IPTV app, and then what you're going to have to do, so once this app has been installed, go to apps home and then scroll and find the app, and then simply launch the app, and basically that's all you have to do. Now if you want to install this from USB, what you're going to have to do is simply download the archive, this one here, SmartOne Tizen.zip, and then unzip the content to the root folder of your USB stick. Insert the USB stick into one of the USB ports on your TV and wait until the TV shows a successful install of SmartOne IPTV app, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.